This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 19th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Hot weather again today. Record highs likely in the valley. We'll still see some very warm temps tomorrow as we continue to flirt with record highs. And then cooler weather as we head through the week, with the possibility of some rain in here for the middle portion of the week as the weather pattern turns more active throughout much of the upcoming forecast period. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. Clear skies here in the valley just before 11 a.m. Heating up very nicely out there. 82 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 38. Relative humidity 20%. The winds are light. The barometer is falling. Temperatures across the area right now, mid-70s to middle 80s. It's 86 at Mesa already. On the satellite, mostly clear skies across the state. A few clouds in northwest Arizona. And on the watch warning map, red flag warnings for much of the Central Plains states. Elevated fire danger, windy conditions, warm and dry out there, as well as across portions of central Florida. Meanwhile, frost and freeze warnings for the Carolinas from around Hickory to Charlotte, North Carolina tonight. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms today from Des Moines east to Chicago. And as far as our weather, let's talk about it. Here's the models. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure firmly in control here across the southwest, so another very hot day. And I say hot because, well, whenever you're talking about record highs in March, you know it's going to be warm. Mid-90s here in the valley today. Here's what the GFS latest output is. 93 is what it's going for. I think we'll be warmer than that. We could get to 95. But look at southwest Arizona approaching the century mark at Yuma, 98 this afternoon. It's going to be toasty. The record high for the valley today, 92. We should easily surpass that. Tonight we're clear and mild, lows mid-50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, a few clouds coming in, but should still be mostly sunny. And even though high pressure will be continuing to move off to the east, the atmosphere is still very warm, the air mass very dry, so we should warm up substantially. Back into the lower 90s. The record high for tomorrow, 95. I think we'll fall just a couple of degrees short of that, but we'll be within striking distance. Then on Tuesday, a trough continues to deepen off the west coast. A cold front begins to move toward the Southern California coast, and some rain for those areas, Los Angeles, north to Bakersfield, and some snow in the Sierra. We'll just have some increase in clouds, call it partly sunny, high temperatures mid-80s. Then Wednesday, the cold front continues to traverse east, with rain picking up across southeast California, western Arizona, southern Nevada. Windy conditions coming into those areas as well. I think most of the day here on Wednesday we just spend with increasing clouds. We should say mostly cloudy skies by Wednesday afternoon, maybe a small chance of showers late in the day here in the valley. High temperatures upper 70s to about 80. Then this is Wednesday night at 11 o'clock, and the cold front continues to slowly move east, and decent moisture tap here, some rain coming in, maybe even a few thunderstorms. Let's check some of the parameters here. Here's the instability, the CAPE values on Wednesday night. You see a couple hundred joules per kilogram, so there could be a few thunderstorms around here. I don't think anything severe, but certainly the possibility of some rumbles of thunder. Precipitable water values are pretty high, with values bullseyed at about 1.1 inches right over the Phoenix area. Then as we head into Thursday, we should see decreasing clouds. Still some wraparound moisture. I think this system moves a little bit slower, at least if the GFS is to be believed. And it's been pretty consistent throughout the last couple of days here. Several runs now worth of pretty good data here to suggest that this moves a little bit slower. Still a slight chance of showers in the valley Thursday through the morning hours. Better chances of rain still in northern Arizona, a mix of sun and clouds. Highs only in the low 70s. Precipitation with this system, a pretty tight gradient though, and this is going to make forecasting this a little bit tricky. See, the latest GFS has rainfall amounts around an inch in the East Valley, but a quarter inch or less toward the West Valley. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Friday, that system continues to move to the east. We're between systems, high pressure building in. That looks like mostly sunny skies, high temperatures, upper 70s to about 80. Saturday, another system approaches and could see some increase in clouds, maybe a little bit of rain in northern Arizona throughout the afternoon and evening on Saturday. But it looks like that should stay to our north, at least for now. Some of the runs have suggested that this moves a little bit further to the south. The European was picking up on that yesterday, but has since backed off. So we'll see. For now, that's still pretty far out. Cooler conditions, highs mid and upper 70s. Then this is a week from today, Sunday, the 26th of March. Troughing passing by to the north. Cooler conditions, high temps, low to mid 70s. The sky mostly sunny. Here's Monday, the 27th. That looks like a mainly zonal flow, westerly flow here, and pretty nice conditions. Highs upper 70s to low 80s. And this is the end of the forecast period. Tuesday, the 28th of March, and another system taking aim on the southwest. A pretty active pattern coming in. And with high pressure upstream, that may help to amplify this system as it digs south. So we'll have to watch for another round of rain, perhaps just beyond the end of the forecast period. But that is 10 days out. And forecast confidence obviously is not overly high with that. Looking at temperatures through the period off of the European ensemble, and this suggests that we'll be warmer tomorrow than today. I'm not so sure about that. And then temperatures cooling off throughout the rest of the week and staying more or less within striking distance of normal for the rest of the month and into early April. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here early tomorrow morning. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. Have a great Sunday.